Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by flattening the track pants. Zipper closed and seams matched so cuts stay even. Measure from the crotch or original hem to your target length and mark both legs, adding a 1/2 seam allowance. Once marked, fold one leg over the other to confirm symmetry, then pin along the mark to prevent shifting. Use sharp scissors and cut in a single confident motion. This prevents jagged edges and keeps fabric from stretching as you proceed to the next step. After cutting, you'll finish the raw hem so the shorts last. Fold the edge under twice by 1/2, pinning every 1-2 inches to keep an even fold. Once pinned, use a stretch stitch or a zigzag on a sewing machine so seams move with the fabric. Reinforce the side seams with a short backstitch to stop unraveling. Try on the shorts and check length and comfort. If one leg is slightly longer, unpick the seam and trim the excess, then resew carefully. You're at the finish line. Press the hem flat and top stitch close to the fold to lock everything in place. This gives a professional look and reduces bulk. If you don't sew, apply fabric glue or fray check to raw edges and press until set, but no glue is less durable. If hems look uneven, measure both legs from the crotch again, repin precisely, and resew. Small adjustments fix most issues. Keep spare thread and a small seam ripper handy for quick corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.